Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create beautiful professional and eye-catching job resume. Yes, we are going to create nice, impressive professional job resume for your job application in this tutorial, and that too by using Canva. Even if you do not have any prior graphic designing experience or any simple designing experience, in that case also you can design very much impressive job resume for you. And even if you can level up your resume, for example, you have a resume but that is not that much attractive as a professional resume, in that case also you can level up your resume. You can make your resume better in this application after watching this video. Trust me guys, in this video we will cover you everything from choosing the right template to customizing your content. So grab a glass of water and let's just get started without delay. Let's learn and enjoy the learning. So guys, now we are at the home page of Canva. Okay, so we are going to create a job resume. So let's search here in the search bar, resume. Now let's select category, resume. After that, style, which style you want. I think I want professional style, but whatever style you would like, you can just select as per your wish. Okay, anything. So many styles are there. Okay, whatever style you want, you can select that. Okay, for me, I think obviously job resume means it must be professional mostly. Okay, sometimes it should be creative also, but I prefer professional. Let's just explore this professional field, how the resume are. These are some pro resume. You have to upgrade to Canva Pro. Otherwise, some free resume, some not. Most the resume are free. Okay, so here are professional yet free resume for your job applications. So many are there. Okay, now let's just change our style from professional to modern. Let's change. Now in modern category it's also similar kind of resume are there. Among them, this resume, I find it nice, quite modern, isn't it? You have to pick your. Let's just explore a little bit more. Now simple, minimalist, cooperative, creative. Let's click here creative. Same type, I think. Is there anything different? This one I like, but that's in pro category. This one also I like. Okay, let's just explore one more category. After that we will customize. Okay, elegant. Now here also almost similar type of resume is there. Now let's just take one. Let's just click this one. So guys, now we are at the home page of Canva. Okay, so we are going to create a job resume. So let's search here in the search bar, resume. Now let's select category, resume. After that, style, which style you want. I think I want professional style, but whatever this resume, click this. Now here in the right side, customize this template is there. Click there. Now the resume is all yours. Okay, whatever you want to change in this page, you can change. It's completely yours now. If you want this type of this particular colored resume, it is all yours, and the style, everything is yours. Let's just increase it some more here. Okay, so that everything is properly visible. Now let's just change the name. First, here is the photograph. How to change? Just click here once. It is selected. Okay, so after that what you will do here, delete, just delete. So delete image. Okay, if you delete grid completely, that photos frame where the photo is there, the frame will also be deleted. You have to add again. Okay, so only delete image. You only have to put your image right on that grid. So delete image. Now the frame is there. You have to upload your image. How to upload? So here in the upload section is there, in the left side bar one icon is there, uploads. Click there. After that, here upload files, click here. After that, you can upload your photos from your PC or your tablet, anything. Okay, whatever device you are using, in whatever device. Now you open this Canva application. Okay, First click here, after that click here, after that you can add from your device to this folder. Okay, now I have for example, let me here, my photos are there, but let's upload this photo. This is my childhood photo. Let's not upload that, let's upload this one, this AI generated photo. Just how to upload that, just drag that photo to that frame and leave there, it will be uploaded. Okay, now I uploaded this because I am just doing the demonstration for you, doing a tutorial for you. Do not upload such type of photo for your resume. Upload your own photo, otherwise do not upload at all. Okay, now let's just change the name here. Click here once, it will be selected. Now again you click. Now write your name. My name is Amrita. Let's write Amrita. Okay, with surname Mishra. Done. Now whatever here the field for this section is for profession, for which profession you are applying, which post you are applying. Okay, this is written medical assistant. What you are? I am a professor. I am a assistant I am a junior lecturer, actually junior lecturer. Okay, so leave it. Now here whatever experience you have, just write that in few words, like here written na, that I have friendly and conscious personality. In addition, I have experience as a nurse and a part of the intensive care unit, means ICU interview for 6 months in a well-known hospital, like that, something. So you have to describe whatever your job responsibilities, a little very much, but important ones. Okay, now after that, how to write there? Again click once, it will be selected. Again click inside it. Now write whatever you want to write, no need to erase everything and just write. Okay, now after that you have to here phone number, just select once, after that again select. Now add your phone number, whatever phone number you have. Now in the second you have email ID, select, give there. Some other way they can connect you, just write that, for example Twitter or WhatsApp number also again you can give. Okay, now work experience, whatever work experience, wherever you have everything, you can just click. First one is the institution name where you have worked earlier, or even if you do not work earlier, if you are a fresher, just write I am a fresher. Okay, no need to write any, obviously you do not have how to write, but if you have, just mention the company's name or the institution's name. After that, since, means when to when this person worked, 2018 to 2020 August, with months mentioned. So if you have experience, just mention there from when to when. Okay, after that, what roles you were playing there, means whatever you are doing there. For example, I was taking class 11th regular classes and taking class 12's doubt clear classes, and I was conducting practicals, like that you can mention one after another. Okay, here again, if you have more than one work experience, again second where you have worked, like this you can add. If you do not have, just delete these things. Okay, now skills, whatever skills you have, you can write here. Like if you do not have if you are unable to think what to write, just search in ChatGPT or Google Gemini that I am a lecturer, what should be my skills for resume. So they will give that application will give you proper, like whatever one demonstration. Just search sorry, Gemini. Now click here. I am a lecturer. I am a junior lecturer. What should be my skills? What should be my skills for resume? You can write that. I skipped that. Let's explore what should be. These are the effective skills, like teaching and pedagogy skills in that, public speaking and classroom management, lesson planning, curriculum development, adaptability. Here again, differentiated instructions, creativity, time management, organization, self motivation, discipline, collaboration, teamwork, mentoring, empathy and emotional intelligence, problem solving, network, confidence. Technology skills should be there also. What type of technology skills you have also you can mention. That nowadays that will be add on. Okay, in any profession, whatever profession you are nowadays, just add whatever technical skills you have and you can implement in your work. Okay, that will be too much impressive. And if you know how to apply AI in your job, in your profession, that the in that case it increases the percentage of your hiring. Okay, so do not forget to mention this technology skill. Okay, like that it will give you examples. You can search and add there. Okay, if you means if you are not sure what to add there. Okay, now here what which are the what languages you know, English, Hindi and your mother tongue obviously you know, like that you can add. And here are the proficiency, in which proficiency you know these languages. Okay, and here education. Now if you are a fresher, obviously you do not have this many work experience, so you here instead of writing in small letters here your education profile, you can here highlight work at work experience place, you can highlight your education and just write your graduation, post graduation, everything whatever you did, whatever in whichever fields you excel, everything related to education you can explore, elaborate here if you are a fresher. Okay, and here you can just normally write work experience fresher. Okay, now here hit written date of birth, nationality, marital status and address. These are the details. Just have to click here once, it got selected. After that again click once and start writing with your keyboard. For example 1 2 3 4 whatever you write, it will be like that. Okay, so like this you can means like create your own resume easy. Okay, isn't it? Now how it got now how to share it. So here in the right top right corner just select share, and after that here download, click here, it will be downloaded and saved on in your device. After that from there you can send anywhere and print that or just attach to your. Now if you want to change the color, for example this color, whatever color it is, this color, if you don't like this color, I like it, it's soothing, isn't it? But if you want some different color, you can change it here. Click here, background color, click here. Now there are so many colors. You know how to change color in Canva. If you do not know, I will just give you the link in this video's description of all my previous videos. Now in this video also I am showing, it's not that much difficult to change the colors. Okay, you just have to select here. After that all the colors are yours, change whatever color you want to change. Okay, means this color, sorry, what happened here? Here we okay, which just select this, select the color here, we whatever we selected. Just a second, back. Okay, it was original, right? When we clicked here, click here, this blue circle is around white color. So in this whole project, the white colors, if you change something, so any color, the white color are only going to change. Okay, not the blue ones. So click here, it will be like that. Click here, the white ones are the ones which are going to change. You can select any darker shade like that, but in that case you have to select change the color of all the text to white. For example, let's I'm just giving you one example. Click here, Amrita Mishra, name, color change white. Okay, why it's not changing? Change all. Okay, change all. Okay, everything, all the text changed to white color. Okay, now you got it. If you are, but here and here, if you just click here, this is another section. Okay, this is a different one. So if you want to change that shade, let's remove it. Or if you want that, just click that here, change color, whatever color you want to change. Just let's take one darker shade here. Good. Now this side, click to change color again, blue, the whole section turn to blue. Okay, dark color, resume. Now you got skills, only work experience, these are only light shade, and like all the rest are the dark shaded. Now you got how you can change it, change the color. Okay, and you want to change the text style also, you can change. You can just select there, and after that here font, and you just have to select whatever font you want, and you have to select your change all, it will all be changed. Now if you want to change the size, increase, decrease, your wish. Okay, and you want to make it bold, make it bold. You want to make it italics, click here. You want to underline everything, underline. If you want to remove the underline, click once more, change underline will be removed. Now if you want to make everything capital, just click again, everything will be in capital letters. If you want to remove that, just click once more. And if you want alignment, how you means like this aligned, here you can notice it changes. Okay, if you here just this portion only, this section I selected. Okay, so whatever change, select here. Now you can notice simultaneously here and here the changes happening there after one click. Okay, like that alignment is changing. Okay, whichever alignment you like, you can keep according to your convenience. Okay, now here the list means you can do bullet points. Okay, here only one, everything is in single statement, means like once written, so one bullet. If you want to add more points, you just have to click here once, and after that press enter, another point will be there, but we don't need that. So let's go back, do undo, it's normal. Now if you want spacing, just click here spacing. If you want letter spacing, increases, drag it towards the right. If you want to less spacing, drag it towards left. They are getting merged on themselves. Now if you want line spacing, drag it towards right. If you want to lessen line spacing, means the spacing between the lines, drag it towards left. Okay, good. Now transparency, how much transparent you want this text. This is now 100% transparent. You can see that 100%. If you want to make it less transparent, you can decrease the transparency. Now you can increase the transparency. Magic. Okay, now effects, whatever effect you want to give. Now there is no effect, it's normally written text, right? If you want to add some effect, I'm removing the bullet point here. I have to click another one more time. Okay, let's click once. Oh, it came another bullet point, 1 2 3. Now click once, it will be removed. Okay, now among effects, if you want shadows, click here. There also you can change these things. Okay, now lift, if you want, click once. Hollow you want, it become hollow. Now this whatever you want, you can just try, just select that. After that you can means like customize the thickness, increase the thickness, decrease the thickness, whatever you want. Means if you will change this portion, means obviously that portion will be highlighted. It is because it will be different from the other text, right? Now animate, if you want to, this is a resume, no need to animate. And position, how where you want to keep, left, right, top, center, bottom, wherever. I think the position is perfect for this, no need. Okay, now this much. If you want to change some other font, just click there, click here, and change anything else. Okay, your wish. That's it. Color, I think it's perfect. Like that you can change the things in your resume. That's it for today. That's it how you can own resume. Now after that, here in the top right corner, here a button is there, share, just click there. After that, here download, click here download. After that, this resume is going to be downloaded in your device. After that, from your device you can send it to the printer where it can get printed. After that, you can submit it offline wherever you are applying for the job, or in this digital application, this digital resume also you can send via emails to the institution, or to the principal, or to the head of the institution, or to the HR manager. Okay, that's it. This is for today, how to make resume, professional resume for your job interview and all. Tata, bye bye.